Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the visitors module. So first click on admissions, and we have added a new module or a tab called as visitors. So over here you can enter the visitor information, the visitor that has visited your school. Okay, their mobile number, their Aadhaar card number, the purpose why they are visiting the school, for meeting the teacher, staff or any other purpose. What is the designation of the person, whether it's a teacher, it's a parent. Then the date and time is automatically registered in the system of the current date and time. Now if your device is connected to a webcam, you can click on the webcam option and you'll be able to directly capture a picture. If not, you can upload a picture that you already have in your file. You can select which part of the picture you want. Click on Save Image. Now once the picture has been added, just click on Submit. Now once you do an entry of any visitor, you can also generate a slip that can be printed and given to the visitor with their in time. Similarly, now let's say a visitor has visited and you want to check the visitors list. So in visitors list, you'll be able to see all the visitors that have visited your school. Now when the visitor checks out, you can simply click on checkout and automatically the current time will be noted down. And again, a slip can be generated where you can see the details of the visitor, the name, mobile number, in time, out time. You can print this as well. So in this way, you'll be able to enter information of all the visitors of the school. Also, you can see in the list all the visitors, and you'll be able to, when you click on any visitor, you'll be able to check that again in detail. You'll be able to see their form in detail. Similarly, like I said, we can do check, when you click on checkout, automatically the current checkout time is noted. So that's all about a visitors module. Thank you.